Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make it red. We'd love to have you. Be grateful to have you over here. So today we will be unstuffing our binders for the last quarter. The first quarter is over. We're the last paycheck. We're unstuffing for March. Okay? We're saying a lot and not saying enough. Okay? So let's get started. If possible, we will restuff in this video as well. Groceries and eating out were merged together. And there was $10 in there. However, I went and bought food actually just now because I ate all the crap that was in my food except for a few potatoes. And that was $12. So I took $2 from giving. No, we don't got no pen. All right, well then, okay. So on what is today's day? I went to work today, I promise. They let us out a little early. Whoop, whoop. And happy Good Friday. So $3.29 today. I went to Popeyes and that was for $12. So we're -2. And we're gonna say on $3.29 from gave to myself, I added $2 to now leave a balance of $0. So that's that, and we probably won't need this sheet because we're going to track a different way for next quarter. Ba-bam, it's gone. But that was groceries. Let's go to giving while it's on top of our mind. In giving, there should have been 14, but today on $3.29, I gave $2 minus $2 and gave it to groceries / eating out. And that should leave us with $12. 14 minus 2 is 12. Make sure y'all can see what I'm doing. 14 minus, nope. Okay. 14 minus 2, 12. So we should have 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just 11? Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12. Okay, now let's not act crazy. So that was 12. Giving. I'm gonna leave the giving one in here. What am I doing? Girl, taking the money out, we're unstuffing. So, let me see if I can find my little holder of the money. All right, so the 5s and 1s will just stay right there. The way my allergies are set up, y'all, I'm so sorry because I just came in from outside and the pollen is pollinating. Okay, so in gas it says we have $97 left, and I really don't have a receipt back here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So there probably should have been a receipt. Did I just not get a receipt? Because I definitely... Yeah, I must be missing. I must have gotten some gas and didn't put the receipt. Oh my God. Y'all, I'm so ready for the change that I'm about to make for quarter 2 because no. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So if we were supposed to have 97 minus 74, we spent, that makes sense. I know I did spend 23. It was funny because I remember saying I spent exactly the same amount on gas again. I think I spent $23. Unless someone's stealing my money and I just don't know it. It's ridiculous. But anyway, I'm going to put this money up. I feel like I don't really have that many 10s. So maybe I'll just put these here. So we're going to say we got 23. That makes sense. Did I just not write it in last time? Because I know I bought more gas. Hold on, y'all. Let me check a 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Shout out to Anonymous who sent me this beautiful bookmark or magnetic bookmark. It came from Celissa Shop Beautifully Me and You. I will link her down below. She sells these on Etsy. Super cute magnets. Yes, really. There it is. I just didn't write it. No, yeah, I didn't write it in. $3.23. I was supposed to write in gas. $23. Okay, so that's my fault. $3.23. I guess I just didn't write it in that time. Because I'm like, bro, with 74, which is what we counted. I'm not pulling that money out again because I don't forgot. But I'm pretty sure that's what it was. We're going to keep the gas one in here, and this will make sense later. And then self-care. And plus, you guys, I really haven't gone too many places because there was a few days I took off, and then, you know, my work from home day is really saving me on some gas. And I still have 3/4 of a tank now. Self-care. Self-care has $10 in it. And there we go. It was supposed to have 10. It still has 10. Of course, now there's a 10 because I said there wasn't going to be a 10. Of course. Of course. We'll get rid of this one. And then eating out has nothing in it. $0. Okay. Date night still has the 20. It's holding strong. It's holding strong with the same $20 that we had before. And there's that. Then have fun. Has $5. That it had 4, but somehow it ended up with 5. That's all right. We'll take our 5 and we'll be happy. And we just went through giving. There's nothing in the credit card and nothing miscellaneous. And my gift card's still there. And you guys, I won another gift card. It's already loaded to my Amazon. We had a cute little Easter egg hunt, and I found a golden egg, and it was nice. I won. I'm winning. It's my winning season. All right, guys. So hold on. I'm just going to go ahead and type in the few transactions that I did have, which was only 1. I only had the eating out, right? I only had 1 transaction. Eating out. We ain't had nothing else. So actually, let me just go ahead and write that in with you guys because I thought it was going to take me a little bit, but it's not.
So on 3/28, which is it 3/29? I just said this. Like, how do I not remember? 3/29, Tara. Golly. It was Popeyes. And y'all can't see. And it's called eating out. And it was basically $12. All right. So
This is all filled in already. So amazing. So amazing. We only had 1 transaction. That's even more amazing. The gas that we thought we didn't have was already on there. So let's do what we do and figure out how much we have left. So out of all the money, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91. These new ones are tricky. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We have 101 like the Dalmatians, y'all. We got $101 left. Come on, baby. Baby. Who's excited? I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I did not expect that. I think the gas really saved our butts. So we had $101 left, y'all. So let's go ahead and write that in. Girl, where are we? Where art thou? Oh, we should have used our marker. So we started with $550 and total savings $101. Come on, what you talking about? What you talking about? Hey, monthly savings in our variable cash envelopes for March is $101. Haven't decided what I'm doing with that, but we know some of that is going to go towards the saving challenges as well as the 100 envelope challenge. There are a few different saving challenges coming for Q2, but we are geeked. Come on. All right. So I think I am going to end this video here, but prepare yourself to be sick of me, because next I've got to do my cash stuffing, and you know my dude, where the money resides.
Because I'm asked, what the what? What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside. Okay.
It's going to be in that one. So that should be coming up. So yeah, y'all, that's it. We are unstuffed and excited. We saved some moolah. Moolah. Wait, did I take the money on a date night? Please tell me I did not do that. Wait a minute. Okay, good. Because I don't want to take that out. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Again, if you're interested in that cute bookmark, Talisa has some beautiful, beautiful bookmarks. Check her out on Etsy. She will be linked down below. Beautifully, me and you. All right, thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year. Not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Also, y'all, real quickly, in my other book that I got from my girl Tasha, I also got, someone else also sent me the faith over fear. So they sent me both of those. Aren't they so cute? Okay. All right. Now bye for real. Bye. Just love you, mean it, boy.